Alright, we got my favorite track from EXO. Descending 10-second sine waves, the ultimate bass test over here. 100 hertz down to nothing. But this system starts getting real strong around 45 and below. Alright, you can't hardly hear it, but you can feel it. Hertz. Look at that. Hertz. Oh my God. Everything's moving. 9 hertz. 9 hertz. Oh, 6 hertz. Five hertz. Look at 5 hertz. 4 hertz. 3 hertz. Oh my God. That's 2 hertz, you guys. I don't know what 1 hertz is gonna do. Like 1 pop every 1 second. Oh, it's not even really playing. It's moving a little bit. Wow. 1 hertz. I just took the system down to 2 hertz. That's pretty nice.
3 hertz. Oh my God.